Finally, Ijele accept to go challenge Gentle the Yahoo. Ijele accept to go the challenge because okay na for video kabaro na subscribe kakwa na hana emegene ina subscribe ina drop comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to like our post and share it. Ijele accept to go challenge Gentle the Yahoo. What's here na kenemi na Gentle the Yahoo bolo nwoke na bia ka eme ya na aka na kando na ebu Gentle si no Gentle bụ ndị Igbo that ndami ahụ, because that is ebe Ijele na agbadokali aka ma chọọ ikwu okwu. O si no Ijele no Gentle na ndị otu ya bụ ndị Igbo ndami ahụ di na nwunye ahụ mgbe ahụ. O si no Gentle na Gentle ekwekwana ka o were aka ya kpata ya aka na ọ mala ebe ha na-abụ ya afọ one on one ka ha pelie aka nwoke na nwoke, that not ime again, not time, date and place ka ha pelie aka nwoke. Because na Gentle anọzi na n'ime ọhịa aba mbanya pụta ezi ihe alụka mmadụ nkịta na-abụ nọ n'ime keji onye nke a na-agba onye nke a na-agba ka anyị malezie ebe ọgụ anụ ya elidi. Biko keep your hand crossed and don't forget to subscribe.
And by the power bestowed upon me by my master, Triple General, all the whole commanders in 40 states of Biafra, listen and listen very carefully. Anywhere you see an Igbo man practicing or being a full member of Islam in Igbo land, deal with that person. Don't deal with that person and look back, because they have killed us enough. They have slaughtered Christians enough. We only have 3 major worship in Igbo land. 1, Jewish. Secondly, we accept Christian, but we know that Christian is a thing that they brought to us just to use it and deceive us. We accept it. 3, our culture, our Delala. That these are the 3 major worshippers that we have in this Igbo land. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. Yeah, it's out. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. They thought they have killed us so that they can be able to establish all their goals, all their plans in Biafra land. You people have never killed us, so when I never finish our junior ones itself, the little ones, talk less of touching the grown-up ones before getting to us. Oh, John Atokun, we are still alive. Then for you, Udele, I know you don't have shame. You don't have shame on you. You carried the news. You were the one that told the world, the entire world, the Biafras at large, that you confirmed from your rightful source that Gentle is dead. I had it and I kept it on my story, on my book. Now you don't have shame. You came down to where you were hiding yourself doing video. After you left Owerri to Abuja, to your father's land, you now play the video. You now posted the video. Why do you insult? You say you are a man. Show up yourself. Come down, free yourself, move around. At least in all things, I know that I'm not in Imo State, Anambra, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State. But at least I am a free man in Igbo land. I can move around. I can move wherever I like, wherever I choose to move. Why are you hiding yourself? Stop it. So
hello, my people. Zorangs. I don't reach. I they wait for vehicle. So I they wait when they reach. See how. No way. Live and direct, bro. Those of you that refuse to listen, have you seen what I told you about this attack on Muslims in the southeast? Are you seeing it now? Would you now believe it? You've heard it from this Ekbedima, Ifeanyi Eze. Have you heard it from are you now going to believe it now? You've heard it from this useless Okada man. Where carpenter work no gree do. Father. Have you heard, you know, when I do see things, it's not even as if you can't see the way I'm seeing it, is because many of you have been filled with hate. And you don't even know when you are supporting evil people. Eventually, you people are the ones that are suffering it the most. Do you know thousands of people these guys have died? And it's because of support from fools like you that is listening to me, and you followed this nonsense about attacks on Muslims. You don't even know where things are coming from. Have you asked, this food I'm about to eat, where was it found? Who are the people that cultivated this thing, watered it, nourished it, harvested and cooked and gave to me? Have you heard it? Meanwhile, I don't even want to go into the threat you were issuing to his father. Ozu, Utobo, now let me tell you. Gentle is not about noise making. You are in the media, I'm in the media. You open your mouth and say, so place, we'll meet so place in Alibu. If you breathe after that day, make a buy. I go hang myself. Would you do a live video for what? Like, tell me to come to where that you will do live video wherever you are, so place in Okigwe. Me, I go find you for come. No be noise. You think I be you, coward, where they had died? Ozu, I landed and purposely stood outside there. Anybody where they pass from that to where the airport, you must pass that. If you exit, you must exit from that door. Now the front I sit down because I saw some of you people's useless bingo supporters kind of hiding and looking at their father. I just laughed. I sat down there for everybody to see it. Oh me, now when I return, okay, this is the excuse you are giving the Umutobo for your cowardice. You are a coward. When I was leaving, I was putting on a white shirt. And I did a live video when I was leaving. So don't say that so I changed my clothes, right? I changed inside the airport or what? You are a coward. You are a bastard. You see, when I come for you, none of those politicians will save you. None of those politicians, I don't care the party they are supporting. From APC, the OPC politicians, to the PDP, to the LP, to the ADC, to the ABGA politicians that are working with for you, you are working for, none will save you. Admit you are too cowardly to face me. That's why you are now lying. If I'm not a fool like you, nobody poisoned you. Now you've started, try to decide them with the poison. I'm sure you watch my video where I analyze your poison video. I said, no, this thing looks so staged. And on the reportage of the fake buying, is because it came from the army headquarters. And even people at Owerri did not confirm it. The people at the Obrins, I know somebody that knows the garrison commander. He called the garrison commander. The garrison commander said no, that news is not confirmed. Yes. But I've already done the video. So it's not as if there is anything I will gain for your buying. You are a complete nobody. Like, I don't even consider you number 100 threat. Threat number 100, you know they there. So in order to show these people that you're strong, you're lying that he the Joe Google like me. Django Apieku, Deriwa Mama. That me go hide, come like say you be who. How much you want bet make I come Okigwe this weekend? Make we do an open challenge now. If I say this one no be, can we do the open challenge this fucking week? This weekend. You go see me for that Okigwe. You want bets. So because you want to fool this idiot, you are now telling them, oh, me, like you the mad, I be coward like you. I'm not a coward like you. I don't need all these useless boys you are deceiving. No, me, I go find you, buy you. Am I hiding? You are hiding. Even when you are going to Umunze, on Imo, Mbano side, you are hiding. Why are you now using bike? Onyoshi, why are you now using bike? They follow bush path. They carry boys everywhere. Mugu. Give me appointment. If I no come, then make people know say me no between me and you who they lie and who be fool. If you are not a woman, if they know they knock you for yash, give me location. This noise. I know why I put that video. I was putting on white when I was leaving. So stop deceiving this your own. Bow down before your king. Bow down before your God. Even your ikonso wey be your oga no say he no go even he no reach me. He know that one. Agame vude kam gane zore ge zori ki shade ge mu tobo.